Hi all, Seb's here, just making a video for the new marker system for the new bot X64. And first of all, I'll start with grind. It's basically exactly like the previous 32-bit bot, except the new location is in the menu. Go to markers, and I've already got one set up, but you can create your evac point where you return to from after fates, botany, mining, fishing, grind. You've got your marker list. Once you've made them all, you can you'll get your list. You can edit them individually. Obviously, you've got your single marker mode, random marker mode, marker list, and marker team is marker list, but slightly different. I'll show you that later. First of all, we're going to do our grind. Set up exactly the same. You can create a name for it, what you want to kill, all that sort of stuff. You do need a grind time. 0 doesn't work. I will talk to Ace about setting a default grind time, but at this stage, as you can see, the default is 0. The minimum level is 0. So unless you're going to kill a level 0 mob, you do need to alter that. Specifically, well, more particular in areas with different level mobs around where you want to grind on something particular. The other alternative is actually whitelisting. So all you do for that, select your target and hit whitelist. You don't need to blacklist everything else. If you have a whitelist, it will basically negate all other targets. Unless they're linked, it will still defend yourself. Just going to delete that one. Go back into this. I've already set this one up. As you can see, you've got targets. You don't actually need anything. And this is linked directly to your grind mode. So I'll show you what I mean by that now. So I'm going to save that and we're going to add it to our list. This is our active list. So if we're in single marker mode, you can only have one. If you're in marker list, you can add more. Now, what I mean by it's directly linked to your grind mode, we're going to see how it's running. It's not killing anything. I have fates only checked. You do need to uncheck fates only before it will actually start killing anything. So I found that one out the hard way, yeah, unfortunately. And that's that. While I'm here, I will actually go over grind mode itself. If you do want to change some of the settings, we do have what we call easy mode grind. And what it will do is it will actually automatically change zones for you. If you don't want to change zones and you do want to grind a particular marker, then deselect the auto level mode. Do hunt logs, well, that's pretty self-explanatory, but they are very good. They will automatically be done in quest mode. Obviously do asthma, it's kind of outdated nowadays. Do luminous, again, stormblood coming. Do fates if you don't want to do fates, uncheck it. Kill non-aggro fates. It's basically for bosses or anything that aggroes you sort of thing. Instead of focusing on the boss, you'll again defend yourself and kill the other ones first. Rest in fates. You will recover HP. You won't just kill and kill and kill and then be killed. You'll actually recover HP, stop and recover HP. The minimum fate level is actually based on your player level. So if it's 5, it will be 5 levels below your current level. Or you can tick the box and go no minimum. Or plus 2, which is again player level plus 2. You can do no max, obviously, if you're level 60. And the teleport percentage, if you do have your tele hacks set, I don't use them, I don't need them, don't want to. You can set the percentage of teleport that the fate will be. So if you want to teleport to the fate at 10%, set it to 10%. Wait near evac. After a fate, you'll run back to the evac, assuming that you don't have any grind markers set up. And of course, the minimum random and maximum random delay, if you set it for a second or whatever it goes up by, then it will basically, once the fate starts, you will wait a couple of seconds, and then you will start running. So not every single bot starts running at the same time. You do have some variables so that you don't look completely bottish. But that's markers. Apart from the tweaks, which you can turn off and on individual fates, and you can adjust what percentage you want to start boss fates before you. That will be before you start running to the boss fate, not what time you actually join in attacking the boss. Again, grind fates, escort fates, they're all there. Turn them on or off at your leisure. And that's grind mode. I will do gathering markers next. Thanks.